This collection is a ready-to-wear collection. It's pure pret, separate pieces. And it's something that I love doing, and I was inspired by the work of this late sculptor, Mrinalini Mukherjee, who sadly died on the night of her opening of a great retrospective show at the NGMA. And I saw it a week or two later, and I was blown away. I love texture, I love deep colors, and I love draping, and she did extraordinary things. And I went back to see it 3 times, and it just seemed like a logical thing to use as a point of departure for my next collection. The imagery of the sculpture and the clothes. So the clothes are just maroon, olive, a blue, and a black. And anyway, I love to drape, and I love texture, so it translates. We've used very textural knits. We use cashmere. We've textured fabric. I've done net shredded. There are a lot of different techniques. So it's hard. People should wear clothes that are relevant, that should look as heavy as you want it to be, but you should be able to have fun, not go and change into a little cocktail dress with rubber choppers at 10 o'clock at night. I don't want to see that.